Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about how to download the Snap software. This is used for processing the Sentinel-1 data and Sentinel-2 data. We can use it for land subsidence monitoring or vegetation index and DBA extraction and many things. So you just have to open Google and then click ESA Snap download. So this is how you will get this icon. So in this is developed by the European Space Agency, and once you go to this particular page, here you can see the current version is 13, and if you want the older versions, you can also go for older versions also. I will tell you each and everything now. So this is for the 64-bit, and this is for the Mac, and this is for Mac Intel again, and this is for the Linux. So this works on different platforms. So you can use this operating system if you are using Linux. You can use this for 64-bit also, and if you want the older versions, you can also go down like this and click here for the previous versions. So you can see the 12, 11, 10 and all those things. There are different upgrades that have happened. So right now I am downloading the version 13 here. So I can directly go for the main download, and then the download will start. So if you are using any kind of Sentinel-1 data or Sentinel-2 data, you can directly go for the Copernicus hub, and then you can download the data, or you can go for the Alaska dataset, and then you can use the data for the processing. So mostly when we are going for any subsidence related or after earthquake, the spread or the extent of earthquake can also be identified with the change in the images before and after. You can also create some digital elevation models with two images from Sentinel, and it is also used for processing the flood mapping. So you can use this software for many purposes. Now we have microwave data. We can have process the optical data, and we can also process other data sets. Now if you see, the software is installed here. It is 1 GB right now. So you just click on it, and the installation process will start, and you have to make sure that this software runs when the configuration is good. So please make sure that you have enough space and all, and then we can start the installation. Even when you are processing the data, you need to check the storage capacity also, because most often you will get this Java heap space error. That means when the size is too low, or your files are too big, or even the load on the software is too high, then it will give that error. So now I am just installing it in C. So you accept the agreements, and then next, and then next. These are the toolboxes that comes: radar set toolbox, microwave toolbox, ESA Snappy, optical toolbox, SMOS toolbox. So you can directly install. Previously, when we are going for any kind of subsidence related processing, we are again using Cygwin or some other software to do the unwrapping process. But right now, this software itself is having that plugin, so you can download that unwrapping plugin, and then you can use the unwrapping process directly here itself. So next, you can directly go for select and extend the path also. Now if you open the interface, it will be taking few seconds of time depending on your system speed and configuration. So you just click OK, and then I previously made one video regarding the subsidence processing using Sentinel-1 in Snap. See, these are the right now microwave toolkit modules you have, and then radar set you have. If you just click next, and then the plugins will be downloaded here. So in that, before that, we can just go for the tools. Here also you can see the plugin options. In these plugins you can see the available plugins. So once this downloading is done, then you can see the list of things. So you have the Sentinel-2 resolution enhancement, Sentinel-2 Coral Toolbox, Sentinel-2 water processor, and snappy unwrapping, which is important for doing the processing for Sentinel-1 for subsidence monitoring, and you have Sentinel-2, Sencore-2, and other things. So these are the available plugins. Now if you want to add more, you can just click on them. Resolution enhancement. So this can be used for increasing the resolution of your image. So you can add any of these things, and then click on install. So if it is asking for the NetBeans module, so to be installed, so you can just click and then go for so this particular Send2 enhancement is asking for the NetBeans. If you have the Java plugin, you can install, or you can just close it again and then open. I will just close and open again. So you go for the snap. So now you just have to do the restart, then it will automatically take the NetBeans. So when you are updating, it asks for a multiple restart. So you just have to close other things, and then you need to restart your system once. And then now if you go for the tools, here you can see the plugins again. In these plugins, if you select any of these Sentinel or any other processors, you can use it. So right now I'm also adding the snappy unwrapping, install, and I think the Java has to be installed. So I'm just leaving this image enhancement. See, these are the things. In coming videos, I will also explain you about how to do the resolution enhancement using Sentinel-2 and this snap also. Okay, so here you see it is something like it is asking for a permission, so you just continue, and now you can restart. Yeah, it is running now again. So if you have any other queries regarding processing of Sentinel data in Snap, you can just comment. So I can reply to you in the comment, and then I can also give you some suggestions. So these are the plugins that I have already installed. So you can see here. So if I want to enable them, you just have to click on the enable, because they are already activated. So if you just wanted to see, you can see, or you can just leave it like that. These plugins are already activated. If you want to deactivate, then just click on it and then click deactivate or uninstall. Now if you wanted to see that options enabled, so you just go to the interferometric unwrapping, and then you can see here snappy unwrapping. So you can directly add the data product, and then you can browse the HDR file, and then you can start the snappy unwrapping also. Okay, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share your valuable information through your comments. Thank you.